So today we'll work on the hero webpart. The hero webpart lets you highlight important content like news, links, or pages using large images and tiles. It's used at the top of the page to grab attention and help users quickly navigate to key information. To add the webpart, edit the page, add the section by clicking the plus icon. Let's add full width section, then add hero webpart. To add image or link, click this button. You can choose any recent item. Choose stock image, search on the web, choose from OneDrive, site, or if you want to upload your own image, choose upload. Then finally, if you want a custom link, choose from a link. For now, I will copy this URL and paste it over here. Add the header, boost your productivity. Add description, then add background image. Here you can choose the custom image and use stock image for now. We can then choose different style if you need. Choose overlay color and apply opacity level. You can also choose the alignment, add any topic if needed, let's say hero. Then we can choose different call to action text if needed. Change the URL and finally use the toggle to open them in the new tab. If you want to add a new slide, on the top click Add a slide, click Add an image or link, add a link, add header, description, then add custom image. Let's add any stock image. Now we can see two slides. Finally, let's add one last slide. So again, click Add a slide, add image or link, add a link, add header, description, add any custom link from stock image, then click Republish. Now we can see three slides. If you want, we can enable or disable autoplay. You can use this toggle. Also, the Hero web part have two other layout options, tiles and layers. So feel free to use any layout you prefer. For now, I will use the tile layout and click Republish. This is the end of the session. In the next session, we'll create a new page using blank or Microsoft template. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.